Dirt encapsulation, that's been two words that have been matched together ever since I've met you, ever since I've had you on the radio, ever since you've been talking about the cause of scratch floors. Take it from there. Yeah, hold on. Okay. One thing I saw.
Take it from there, but hold on.
Hold on. One thing I saw, Amazon days are coming up.
Yeah.
And they've got this putz running around on an Amazon commercial holding a steam cleaner, putting it towards hardwood floors. And I'm just like, I can't wait to see Igor. Because it's in one of their commercials. It's in one of hey, you could buy the steam cleaner.
He probably loves that because
I know
think
he does.
Of how many floors are going to get messed up that you're going to have to fix.
Well, that's the thing. So because we're a full service company, Jeremy, as you know, I mean, we sand floors.
You do it all.
So business is going to be great. But yeah, one of the things you do not want to do is just a quick PSA. Do not splash water on your floor and do not use a steam mop.
Yeah,
I cannot tell you how much damage we've seen over the years with steam mops, with buckets of water and mops. You cannot use that amount of water or inject steam into the floor and expect great results. So one of the things that we see over and over and over again is just completely incorrect maintenance of wood floors. People are always concerned with scratching the floor, so they put felt pads like we tell them to do underneath their chairs, tables. They take off their shoes at the door if they can. They have rugs, that sort of thing. But one of the things that people don't pay enough attention to is encapsulated dirt. And that's kind of what I would like to sort of discuss right now. And that is, what is encapsulated dirt? How does it get there? What does it mean? How do we get rid of it? Encapsulated dirt is dirt that is trapped in between layers of cleaning products. Let me say that again.
Wow.
Encapsulated dirt is dirt that is trapped in between layers and layers of cleaning products. A lot of the over-the-counter products that people are using today.
Let's name them. Come on, we might as well.
We don't even
have
to name it. It's product du jour. Go to the
go to the store except for Mr. Floor Product.
Well, so our philosophy is different. We're looking to break the bonds of dirt. We're looking to change the surface tension of dirt, and we're looking to lift that dirt off the floor. We're not looking to kill anything. We're not looking to disinfect anything. We're just looking to relocate dirt, dust, and debris off the floor. The other thing we're not looking to do is encapsulate that dirt. So when we clean our floor, or when you clean our floor, Jeremy, with our cleaning product, like I know
which
you
we do all the time,
you spray the product down, you wipe the floor, you've now relocated that dirt, and you've left nothing behind. And that is the biggest difference.
Don't a lot of these cleaning products have wax built into them, which is what causes the encapsulation, or am I off?
No, you're absolutely right on. And the reason the wax and the oil is there in a lot of those other products is because they're trying to leave your floor shiny.
Look at how clean it looks.
Shiny.
That's exactly it.
It's a placebo.
It's a false misrepresentation of clean.
Wow.
So our floors are going to be clean because we're going to relocate that dirt and not leave anything behind.
Well, and you could tell because you look at the bottom of the mop and you're like, wow, this is filthy.
That's exactly right.
For our floor, we usually go through 2 mops per our floor.
And you've got a busy home, kids, pets,
all
that sort of thing. So what happens with a lot of these other products, David, you're absolutely right. All of this oil and wax is layered on the floor. Each time you clean the floor, you leave more layering. It's impossible then to remove all of that.
Yeah, you can't even vacuum it then,
It's
right?
because it's in all the layers. The problem with that is not only does it become hazy and lifeless.
It's sandpaper.
It becomes sandpaper. That's exactly right. So a floor that's supposed to last 10, 15, 20 years now all of a sudden lasts 5 years. Why? Because you have all of that dust, dirt, and debris caught in all those layers, and you're walking on it, and you are sanding the floor. You are literally sanding the floor.